Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Paysafe card to PayPal. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. So to get started, there's no a direct transfer from Paysafe to PayPal, but here's a simple workaround and a best method on how you can simply save money from Paysafe card to PayPal, which is to move your money from Paysafe to Skrill, then from Skrill move down to your bank card. Then from bank card you can now transfer to your PayPal. So to get started, the first thing to do is to deposit into the Paysafe card into Skrill. So go to the skrill.com, then log into your account or create an account, then click on deposit, then select Paysafe card, then enter the PIN code from your Paysafe card and the amount, then confirm the add up to your Skrill wallet. Then after that, you have to withdraw from Skrill to bank card. So in Skrill, tap on withdraw, then choose either bank account or Visa card linked to your PayPal. Then enter the details and confirm the withdrawal. Then to add funds to your PayPal, log into your PayPal, then make sure your bank or card is linked to your PayPal account. Then go to add money from bank, or the money will appear automatically if sent to a linked card, and that's how you can simply send money from Paysafe card to PayPal. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.